Hey, alright, so right now I'm in Kingdom City, Missouri, and I say probably about the past 20-30 miles or so. I've only been going about 40-45 miles an hour. Because I've been seeing this vehicles just slipping, sliding all over the place. I mean, I've seen it happen, and I guess just the way that the truck is keeping me from doing the same thing. The wind was blowing a little bit, but not too bad. I'm just a little bit over 400 miles into this trip, but I ain't gonna be stupid. I mean, I got plenty of days to get to where I'm going. Just had to get some gas. I'm gonna put half a tank in. It's cold outside too. I mean, it's icy, but it's like coming from St. Louis. Salt trucks are out pretty good, but it seems like they ain't made it this far down the interstate yet. So I'll probably go about another, I want to go another 100 miles, but driving the speed that I'm having to in order to stay safe, probably ain't gonna make it. I just want to beat the weather before it comes in. Right. It's all good. I'll probably, I'll drive about another hour, get something to eat. I might get a room, I don't know. Yeah, I'll get a room. Have somewhere for me and Kanan just sit and chill, watch a movie or something, play on the computer. Right. Alright. You gotta get back rolling, baby? I'll jump a little bit.